Welcome to your morning meditation, your daily glow up from the inside out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it, and sigh it out through your mouth. Let's set the vibe for today. Calm, confident, and unstoppable. Find a comfy spot, close your eyes, and let's lock in together. Feel the ground beneath you, steady, grounding, like your favorite pair of sneakers or that perfect coffee cup in your hand. Let your body relax into this moment. With every breath in, imagine energy flowing through you, lighting you up from the inside. With every breath out, release any heaviness, stress, or worries left over from yesterday. Inhale, feel calm enter your space. Exhale, let go of anything that doesn't serve you today. Let's do that 2 more times, slowly. Inhale, exhale. 1 more time. Inhale, feel calm. Exhale, let go. You're here, you're present, and you're ready. Now, picture your day ahead like a movie trailer. See yourself moving with confidence, hitting your goals, laughing with people who get you, and just feeling aligned with the flow of life. What do you want to embody today? Is it confidence, focus, joy? Take a moment and say to yourself, today, I choose. Your intention sets the tone. Let that feeling settle in. It's like setting the playlist for your day. You're curating your own vibe. Let's fire up your energy for today. Picture a warm, golden light radiating from your heart. It's strong, steady, and magnetic. As you breathe in, feel it grow brighter, filling you up with energy and focus. As you breathe out, send that light out into the world around you. You're spreading positivity without even saying a word. Breathe in strength. Breathe out anything that feels heavy. Breathe in courage. Breathe out doubt. You've got this energy now. It's yours to carry through the day. And it's completely contagious. Before you step into the day, let's take a moment for gratitude. Think of 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Maybe it's the people you love, the dreams you're chasing, or even the cozy moment you're in right now. Whatever comes to mind, hold on to it. Take one last deep breath in and out. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Bring yourself back. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You've just invested 5 minutes in you. And now it's time to move with purpose. So here's a challenge. Take that energy you just created and pour it into something meaningful today. Whether it's creating, connecting, or just being your authentic self. Show up. You've got this, and the world is lucky to have you. Let's go make today legendary. Bye, my loves.